Many haters used to comment in very bad things. Still, I see, I ignore. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Guys, this is a very important day for me. I don't know how to start, from where to start, because when I started this channel, I had like hell lot of negative points in my mind, and around me also there were many people that YouTube, many people are doing what content you want to do, what you want to show to people, all are showing the same contents like food vlog it might be, or gadgets it might be, or bikes it might be, or it might be about lifestyle, or it might be about daily vlogs, etc. And I didn't have any plans to do something like troll videos or prank videos. Trust me, when I started this I was completely zero. It might be subscribers, or it might be views, or it might be anything, but today CSK Vlogs is something standing in a position where people are at least viewing my video, and some people are liking, some people are still commenting bad, and some people are motivating me. Many things are coming into my life. People are trying to contact me. In this time I got an accident also, you people know about it. So there it was a big disappointment for me. Again I'm back, but today is important day. Why? So why this day became so important for me in my life? Because from last 5 months I'm waiting for a pin. Maybe most of the YouTubers will be knowing about this. When you create an YouTube channel, after your monetization, you need to create a Google AdSense account. So after creating that, you have to merge this Google AdSense account to your YouTube account. So after that, there will be some verifications such as your address proof, ID proofs, etc. So after that, you're gonna be receiving a pin from Google AdSense. So how does this pin help? This pin helps me to withdraw a monetization money from YouTube channel, whatever I have earned. So it might be a small amount, or it might be a very huge amount. I really don't know, because I haven't checked what I am earning. Completely motivated on making videos, because when I started this channel, I was looking out something to make in this, not to earn from this. So finally, when I started earning something from this, I was really very happy. And today I have got my first step from YouTube or from Google, that is this AdSense pin. First time they had sent me a mail that we have sent you a pin from Google AdSense. So that I could not receive, I don't know for what reason. Then again I reapplied it. So when I was reapplying, I checked my address and I checked all my details, everything was perfect, but still I could not receive that. Again I reapplied on July 22nd. So today's date is 30th July. So finally I have received it. I need to verify my pin in Google AdSense account. So let's verify this, and after that I have a lot of things to speak to you. So here is something: verify your billing address. So we mailed your pin on July 22nd 2001, and it will take 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering pin we sent you. Okay, verify. Let's open this pin and let's verify. It's such an happy moment for me, guys, trust me. So there is a lot more to happen in this channel. So this is first step which is being done. So here is the pin. So let me put this pin and verify. Pin is being entered and your bill address has been verified. Guys, finally the verification has been done, as you people saw. Trust me guys, working for an organization as okay, which organization I'm working for, as what I'm working, I'll be making a vlog on it. But working for some organization and making something outside, like it might be, for example, YouTube, or it might be a ride, or it might be following a passion or a dream of a man or a woman. It is really very difficult, because focusing on work and focusing on this types of things, it's impossible for some people, including me. So when I started, I faced lot of issues. I was logging in the phone, then to purchase a mic, I don't know what to purchase, from where to purchase. Then finally, in Bangalore, there is a place called Majestic. I went there, I asked them for a mic. They were giving me different types of mic. What I was looking for is a collar mic. So finally, I got it from a place. So it costed me somewhere around 150 rupees. That was the first thing which I purchased for CSK Vlogs. So from there, I started some of the food vlogs. Then I thought of entering into a camera. So then, which camera to buy, what to buy? Because either me or my teammates didn't know which brand is better in the camera. So then I viewed some of the vloggers going for M50 and some vloggers going for EOS 200. So finally, I got a way that let me go for M50, not for some other brands, because M50 is such a camera that anyone can use. Anyone can use. So finally, I purchased M50. That was again in EMI. I didn't pay full cash, because that point of view, every person in my life had a doubt that whether this guy might be successful in YouTube or not. Maybe some people purchase for passion, they do it for some days and they will stop. So in my life also, many people thought the same way. I didn't have support. I purchased camera was there. Then for that, the mic which I had purchased, that can be used only for phone, not for any other cameras, or it's not useful for any other things. Okay, it might be for laptop or it might be for camera. No, it's not possible. Then finally, I purchased a Rode mic after 3 weeks. I still remember it was raining and I vlogged also regarding mic. So after 3 weeks, I paid somewhere around 6,000 rupees, 5,500 rupees for the mic, and I purchased Rode mic. So that was second thing. After buying that, I started vlogging literally on M50 itself. Next problem which started in my life is editing, because whatever I used to vlog in the phone, that editing I was doing in phone itself, not in laptop. The phone editing was quite different. That is not a professional editing. So when you come down to laptop, it comes to an professional editing. The entire editing part itself is different compared to phone and laptop. Then in doubt, I bought Wondershare Filmora software. I tried editing many times. I could not do it. I just failed, to be frank. So after that, I learned somehow watching other YouTubers video how they edit. So I learned somehow. Then I started editing. After that, I edited almost 80 plus videos. So maybe I would have crossed 100. Each and every time, whenever it comes for me to invest, it might be editing software, or it might be camera EMI, or it might be mic, or it might be my petrol expenses, or it might be etc etc. It all need to go from my pocket itself. So in this entire process, mom, dad and Bharti, always I say a camera woman, these three people supported me a lot. As all the parents supported, even my parents supported me in this. Each and every view, each and every like, each and every comment whichever used to come, it was very precious for me in beginning of my career. So now also, if you people can see, when I upload a video, hardly in a 24 hours I can reach somewhere around 60 plus views. But still, why I struggle so much? Because some point of time I will be standing somewhere. So let me struggle today. That doesn't matter for me. let me struggle, but some point of time, definitely I'll be standing. Many haters used to comment in very, very bad things. Still, I see, I ignore. Many people motivate me. That is something which is important for me in life. Both the ways it is important. Negative comments is also important, positive comments is also important. Why? Because if we keep on watching positive comments, in some point of view, if we see a negative comment, definitely mentally it will be hurted a lot. So I don't want to get into that hurt. Nor till today I have never been into such hurt. Whoever used to comment, I see and I just ignore. Which is required, I just take it. Which is not required, I just push away from me. Anyhow, guys, I don't want to bore you people. If someone has a passion of doing something, please do follow your dreams, not negative people who is around you. Don't do that, don't do this, don't follow them. Whatever you feel, just do it. End of the day, the result might come, might not come. That is left on time. But keep following your passion. Someday you will be something, standing somewhere else. I need to celebrate this day with family. Anyhow, guys, if you like this video,